Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mobile Buzz 2.0. Today, we're bringing you all the details on the newly listed Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're curious about this latest mid-range contender, including its pricing, color options, and tech specs, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Unpacking the Galaxy A25. The Samsung Galaxy A25 has just appeared in a store listing on Digitic, revealing some exciting details. This device will be available in 3 vibrant colors: black, blue, and yellow, catering to a variety of tastes. We've also got a glimpse of the phone from several angles thanks to the images provided in the listing. Price and availability. Moving on to the price, the Galaxy A25 is listed at 279 Swiss francs, which roughly converts to about 26,315 Indian rupees. It's set to start shipping on December 19th, just in time for the holiday season. This price point positions the Galaxy A25 as a potentially attractive option for those looking for a feature-packed phone without breaking the bank. Specifications breakdown. Let's talk specs. The Galaxy A25 is expected to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it a great device for media consumption and gaming. Camera-wise, it boasts a versatile rear setup with a 50-megapixels main sensor, complemented by an 8-megapixels and a 2-megapixels secondary sensors, and a 13-megapixels front-facing camera for all your selfie needs. Outrow. That wraps up everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A25. What do you think about this new addition to Samsung's lineup? Will it be on your wish list this December? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech releases and reviews here on Mobile Buzz 2.0. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.